In the assumption that every one of you want to be the best dad or the best mom in the world, it becomes very hectic when you want to buy your family a home. In most cases, you are torn between pleasing your family, pleasing your friends, or pleasing yourself. What if I tell you there is an opportunity for you to please all of them and not spending a fortune? Today we are in Ruiru Mugutha, and behind me is a 3-bedroom flat-roofed bungalow with a print area of 152 square meters. As you can see, the home is very beautiful, and there are so many features that I can't wait to show you because this developer is crazy. Before I take you inside, this home comes with a live fence that magnifies the beauty. As you can see, this home comes with a perimeter wall, and above it, the developer will add a laser wire. This home also comes with a sliding gate for the people who can't stop sliding to other people's DMs. I'll take you inside. As you can see from there, the unit comes with a 2-car parking, a padded staircase that takes you to the main unit, and if you can't afford a car, this is where you'll spend a lot of time thinking about it. On my left-hand side, you have the front yard of this unit, and as you can see right now, the developer has planted some arrowroots, some grass, and a contophonics funigamiana. I'll take you inside. At the entrance of the unit, as you can see from there, the developer has adopted a concept that has not been used by so many people in Kenya. This door opens from the center, and as you can see, it's a massive door, and it will allow you to get all your furniture inside. If there was an exam and the question was to describe beauty, more than 50% of you would fail. But the answer to that question is the living room of this unit. As you can see from there, the beauty is on another level. This unit comes with a spider light at the center, some recess lights, and on top of that, you have some side lights. This door will take you to the bedrooms area, and the opposite side, you have the dining area. This home comes internet ready, and you have DSTV connected on both sides of these walls. That makes it very easy for you to do your electronics. Before I show you the dining area, let's see the lighting. Wow, that's breathtaking. The dining area covers the 4/3 of this living room, and as you can see from there, this space will be ample for your 8-seater dining set. The dining area comes with its vanity here, and you have this platform that separates the dining space from the kitchen. Before I take you to the kitchen, just have a look at the massiveness of these windows that the developer has employed. I like the concept of flapper windows because they make this unit look very classy. The kitchen is here, and just at the entrance of the kitchen, you have this space that has been reserved for your refrigerator. But this is not the only space that you can do a refrigerator. You have an extra space in the pantry. I like it that the developer added a wine cellar, and this bar lighting can only captivate your mood. Next to me, you have this space that has been reserved for your gas cooker. The kitchen comes with a double sink, and it comes with a tilting faucets with different intervals. This kitchen comes with its pantry here. The pantry is not yet partitioned, but it's very tiny. We need to call the police. This door will take you to the laundry area and the roof deck. We will see that later. On this other side, you have extra cabinetry, some drawers down here, and you have spaces for your oven and your microwave. I'll take you to the bedrooms area. At the center, you have the common washroom, and it separates the primary bedroom from the kids' bedroom. That makes it very easy for you to do chuku-chuku with your partner without the kids noticing. As you can see, the space is just standard, and from here we will see the primary bedroom, but don't forget you have a wash basin there. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest closet and these 2 big windows for maximum natural light during the day. During the night, you have these 3 side lights and a center light. The bedroom also comes with his enhanced closet, and this side can be used by you and the other side can be used by your partner. At the center here, you have spaces for all your foldable clothes, or maybe you can do some shoes. This is its bathroom. The washroom comes with a WC and a vanity setup here. On the opposite side, you have the showering area, but it's heartbreaking. This bedroom is missing a bidet sprayer. That should be an essential. Let's see the kids' bedrooms. This is the first kid's bedroom and this is the second. We will start with the second and then we will see that one because it's the tiniest. At the entrance of this bedroom, you have the closet, and one thing to note is that the closets in this home adopt a similar concept with minimal variations. This is the unit and this is the sleeping area. As you can see, it will be sufficient or big enough for your bigger children. It has a massive window and this is its bathroom. At the entrance of the bathroom, you have a small vanity, a WC, and this is your showering area. The second bedroom is the smallest and it comes with tiny everything, a tiny closet and a standard bathroom. I think this one is targeting the small kids who can't stop crying. On the other hand, the same bedroom can be used as a guest bedroom and that's why it comes with its bathroom here. And I like that this space comes with a water closet, a space for your shower cubicle and a small vanity. I'll take you to the roof deck and later we will see the laundry area. To access the roof deck, you'll need to use this staircase, and I like how the developer did a good combination of mahogany and steel, and that improves the aesthetics of this space. To access the roof deck, you have to use this small car gate, and this space is 145 square meters. One thing to note is that on that side, the developer will make a sitting area, and at the center here, he will give you a 3,000-liter water tank. Another thing to note, on this other side, the developer added some plants to balance the indoor-outdoor environment. But if these are not enough, you can do other plants on the other end. That's all for this roof deck. But if you want to do a clotheslines area here, you can do them on that other side. It's very sad we have come to the end of the tour, but I hope you have enjoyed. If you are willing to spend anything more than 7 million on a home, make sure you spend it on something worthwhile. If you would want to see a cheaper house, click up here. And if you want to see a similar house, click on the opposite side. That's all for today. This is African Real Estate and my name is Mungai Kihara. Tuonane one.